Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So, let's get started. So, this is the 15-minute chart of gold USD. Unlike my other videos, I'm in a 15-minute chart today because if you look at the 4-hour chart of gold, then we can easily see that right now we do not have a clear picture. Previously market was trending, it was an easy market for us, but right now gold is not giving us a clear direction. On the higher time frame, we have got two important levels. The first important level or the strongest support is 1895, and the second strongest support is 1910. So from the higher time frame, we can see a trending market with two strong support levels, 1910 and 1895. But for day trading purpose, we do not have a clear picture. So as a result, I had to switch to the lower time frame. And right now you can see that on the 4 hours time frame, market is standing at the red line. The red line is none other than the 200 moving average. So let's look at the 15-minute time frame once. See, if you trade on gold, then you also know very well that we do not have a clear picture on the chart of gold. Okay, that we were having a couple of days ago. So I'll suggest you to trade on particular levels only where you get a clear picture, where you are sure enough. Because see, as I always say, it's your hard-earned money, so it's your duty to protect it. And as a trader, it's your duty only to trade when the opportunity is right, because a trader does not trade gamble with his own money. So be careful. Okay, so let's understand the important levels for the day. As I just said, 1895 is the strongest support on the chart of gold. Then we have got 1910. These two are the strongest support zone. Then we have the next support zone for gold at 1915. Okay, we have next support zone at 1915. If gold comes to the level of 1915, observe the market carefully. If you see gold bouncing from here, you can try to buy if gold bounces from 1950 level. But if gold breaks the 1950 level, okay, you can go for a sell. If gold breaks 1950 level, agar ise tod deta, you can go for sell. Target will be 1910. So if gold comes to the level of 1915, you can go for a you can observe. If it breaks it, you can go for a sell. If it bounces, you can go for a buy. So 1915 is a more or less important level for day traders, but keep in mind this is not a very strong level. That's why observation is important. 1910 is more or less a good support, so we can expect market to bounce. And then we have 1895. So under normal circumstances, there's a high possibility that market will be bouncing from the 1910 level. But if any bad news comes out, then obviously market will break 1910 and market will march towards 1895. So if market breaks with high volume, then you can also go for sell below 1910 level as well. But as I just said, there's a high possibility of market bouncing from 1910 level. So if market bounces from 1910 level, you will get another selling opportunity. Yes, you can also go for a buy, but market will again retrace. Market will face resistance again at 1923. मतलब अगर मार्केट 1910 पे आता है, वहां से उछलता है, तो market will face resistance again at 1923. If market reverses from 1923 again after bouncing from 1910, you can look for a sell. So this is the scenario if market goes down from here. If market goes down from the current market price, this is the scenario: 1915, 1910, 1895. Okay, and if market goes up from here, and as you can see that overall in the 50 minutes time frame we have a bearish structure. Okay, so as a result, okay, market will be facing some selling pressure. As of now, you can see that we also have a trend line. Okay, so if market goes up and reverses on a trend line at a 1930 level, you can go for a sell. But personally, I'll suggest not to trust the trend line, because This is gold. We all know that gold is volatile, gold is crazy, and gold is a villain. So it's better not to trust gold in case of trend line only. If you're a beginner, new trader, and in this current volatile market situation, it is better to trade on strong levels only. So if you are planning to trade on trend line, that's your personal choice, personal risk. But I'll suggest not to trade on the basis of this trend line. Okay, because we cannot trust it. Okay. But if gold goes up from here, अगर यहाँ से ऊपर जाता है, you can expect selling pressure around 1940 and 1945 to 1950. मतलब ये पूरा जो level है, that is a whole seller's level. You can expect selling pressure around this level. But as of now, okay, as of now, things are not much clear with the chart of gold, as I said. So don't ask me questions like, sir, what should I do, buy or sell right now? Okay, if you want to buy or sell right now, okay, you don't need to ask me, because you are simply going for 50-50. You are simply gambling with your money. Do not gamble, my dear friend. Okay, respect your money. Okay. So if gold goes up from here around 1940, you can expect selling pressure, and the strongest selling pressure I think for today will be around 1945 to 1950 level. If market reverses, if you see strong price rejection from above, you can go for sell, otherwise avoid. Okay, and whatever you do, follow proper risk management, because market is crazy. And as you all know, my dear friends, that I have launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop for those who want to learn, because at one time I also had no money to learn. So keeping in mind that thing, so I have launched this. If you are interested, please check the description box. And if you're simply looking for signal service, then as you can see that I have launched the world's most affordable, cheapest signal service. So if you want, then feel free to join the signals as well. Okay, it's only $2 per month. Many people are laughing that why it's so low, but see, the money making is not the goal here. Okay, the main reason I started this is to help you guys so that you can also earn from the market. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.